One of our top picks in London, an award-winning boutique-style hotel in a Grade 2 registered historic Victorian building, Connaught House Hotel London ExCeL is a 5-minute walk to London ExCeL Exhibition Centre and just 2.4 kilometres from London City Airport. A large grass patio area is available, and features a children's play area. Free on-site parking is also provided. Free Wi-Fi, a private bathroom and a flat-screen TV is featured in each Connaught House room. Full English breakfasts are made freshly cooked to order, and healthier options, such as fresh berries and oatmeal, are also available. The on-site bar features Sky Sports satellite channels HD and screens some events in 3D. Guests can enjoy evening meals in the hotel restaurant. Prince Regent DLR station is an 8-minute walk away and has services into central London and Canary Wharf. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.